Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi triangles. First, gather your ingredients: sushi rice, nori seaweed, and your chosen fillings. Cook your sushi rice according to package directions, then season it with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Make sure it's perfectly sticky and cooled slightly. Next, prepare your fillings, cutting them into small, manageable pieces for easy inclusion inside your rice triangles. Now, let's shape them. Moisten your hands with water to prevent the sticky rice from adhering. If using a mold, place about 1/2 cup of rice into it, making a small indentation in the center. Add your desired filling, like tuna or pickled plum, into this space. Then, cover the filling with a bit more rice. Gently press the rice firmly to create a compact, stable triangle. If you're not using a mold, shape it by hand, rotating and pressing until you achieve the desired triangular form. Finally, wrap your sushi triangle with a strip of nori seaweed, which adds flavor and makes it easier to hold. Serve them fresh for the best taste. For extra flavor, try mixing a pinch of furicake into your rice before shaping. Experiment with different fillings like spicy tuna, grilled salmon, or even avocado. Using a small amount of salt water on your hands can also prevent sticking and add a subtle seasoning. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.